Unlocking emotions. The meaning of opening up the heart. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the beautiful journey of learning English. Today, we're exploring a very special phrase that touches the core of human emotions: opening up the heart. This phrase, rich in meaning, is a wonderful example of how English speakers express feelings of vulnerability, trust, and emotional sharing. Let's uncover the layers of this expression together. Opening up the heart is a metaphorical expression that beautifully encapsulates the idea of sharing one's deepest feelings, thoughts, and emotions with another person. It implies a level of trust and intimacy, suggesting that one is willing to let down their guards and reveal their true self. This phrase can be seen as an invitation to genuine connection and understanding. This phrase is often used in contexts where emotional transparency and vulnerability are involved. It could be during a heartfelt conversation between friends, a deep discussion within a family, or even in moments of self-reflection and journaling. When someone says they are opening up their heart, they are essentially signaling that they are ready to share something personal and significant. Examples. In a conversation, I feel like I can really open up my heart to you about my dreams and fears. In writing, this letter is me opening up my heart and telling you how much you mean to me. Opening up the heart is not just about sharing. It's about building deeper connections and fostering empathy. It allows for a greater understanding between individuals, breaking down barriers and creating a safe space for emotional exchange. This act of vulnerability can be incredibly powerful, leading to stronger relationships and a better understanding of oneself and others. Thank you for joining us as we explored the profound meaning of opening up the heart. We hope this video has not only helped you understand this beautiful expression but also inspired you to embrace the power of vulnerability and emotional sharing in your own life. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying the depths of the human experience. Keep learning, keep sharing, and we'll see you in the next video.